am going on a road trip.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Change yourself.
Hi guys, welcome back. I am going on a road trip in like 2 days, and being myself, I literally suck at packing. Catch me ever being packed at least an hour before we leave. It just doesn't happen. I thought I would film it in this video to hold myself accountable, not run everyone else going on the road trip late. I'm going with a group of my friends and my boyfriend, not this guy. I feel like everyone's confused. Kane and I can be friends, y'all. First things first, I'm gonna go to the stores, get some ish, like maybe some swimsuits. It's a beach road trip, so we definitely need swimsuits and sun cream and snacks and just all that good-ish. Probably gonna vlog on my iPhone at the store because I am awkward. I am so into these green colored bikinis right now. Oh. Okay, you either think these are cute or you hate them, but I love bucket hats. This is so cute. Oh, the black one. I swear I have a bikini that matches. That's honestly kind of cute, pal. Truth, is this bucket hat gonna be cute? Oh, she's actually kind of cute. We got Kane here on clothes holding duty. This one, on the other hand, looks like it was for a literal child. It's a look.
Maybe I'm crazy, but something in my mind tells me it's easy.
So we finished up at the store. I literally tried on bikinis for approximately 30 minutes.
If not more.
We got as many things as we could possibly think of. Probably too many. My iced coffee is still icy, which is just the best thing that's happened to me today. Hi guys, it's the next day and I am back from the store, obviously. Like, I didn't stay there overnight. I want to show you guys what I got. I got this bucket hat, which Kane and I are gonna share. It really looks ugly, but I swear it looked cuter in the store yesterday. Yeah, we got joint custody over this hat because we both liked it, but there was no point to buy two. And then recently I have been, as you know, trying to wear low-rise bikinis and make myself feel more confident about my body because my body is doing the most for me, really. We wanna appreciate her. So we got two low-rise bikinis. They're both very like, what is this? Nature girl vibes, animal print. This one kind of looks like a thong, like it's gonna be a thong at the back, but it's not. We got the coverage there. And then I got this one, which is basically the same design top, but slightly different bottoms. And then we got a bunch of other essentials. Just a couple things. We got a lantern set. One of us is not gonna have a lantern, but that's fine. It'll probably be Kane. We got some antibacterial wipes, mosquito repellent, face makeup removers, mosquito bands, Femfresh, this little travel kit for Kane because he wanted a little bag to put all of his toiletries in. Look, I'm sure that there are stuff that I've missed in this pile and I'll be back at the stores like later on, but I think I want to go back anyway and get some snacks. But in the meantime, time to find my bag and start packing. Where is it? Oh, I think it's on the bottom. Okay, well that happened. So I haven't used this in a while. It literally had a tag on it from last time I went overseas, which we don't know her. I'm gonna start packing. We leave in 2 days. I don't know why, but every single time I pack anything into my bag, I make it like a 4-hour process, and any other person that I've ever met makes it a half an hour, 20 minutes, 15-minute process. So welcome to spending this entire day with me. I got a bunch of stuff from Revolve, so I'm gonna get it and show you guys. I just got an order from Revolve, and when I made this order, I did have in mind the road trip. Everything is like these natural earthy tones. I got this really cute pair of tie-dye shorts. We're gonna take those.
I can never imagine you wearing this color.
Really?
Yeah.
I took a photo in this bikini the other day.
I know, I actually took that photo.
Oh. Then I got a hot pink, super cheeky bikini. I don't know how I feel about it, but it's so cute. I feel like I've seen so many people with these like little ruched bikinis recently. It's all over Instagram. I was influenced. Pretty much everything else is just like really chill clothing. It's definitely different to my regular style. For instance, I really don't know what to say about these because they honestly look like something either a mom would wear.
You are a mom though.
to sea monkeys.
Yeah, you should show everyone.
I am a mom, y'all. These sea monkeys. Wow. Ew, it's kind of gross. I swear the water's meant to be that color. But look at them, they're so happy. Except I think one died yesterday. I named it Frankie. I realized that I don't name my sea monkeys until I think that they're dying. Anyways, I got this. As a set, I feel like it looked really cute. It looked cute on the girl on the website. I feel like I should probably stop buying things influenced by the model on the website that like literally looks perfect, but it's fine. I got this hoodie. I got these pants that are like wide leg at the bottom. They're like linen. This little top. This just looks like someone that is going to be in a band for a prolonged period of time. So I was really just embodying that. Let's just pack. It's fine. I got some other great stuff. It's fine. Bikinis. I'm gonna take the 3 that I already showed you guys, and then I'm thinking we're going for 4 nights, so I'm thinking like 5 bikinis in total.
The blue one.
Oh, but I feel like this one would kind of suit this bikini.
I do agree.
Okay, we're switching out the sarong. Then I'll probably just take this bikini that I got recently. It's from Lenny Swims. It's so cute. I'm pretty sure the bikinis are sustainable as well. Is that all? Do I really need a bikini for every single day? Probably not. This one is just from Cotton On as well, high-waisted. This is like honestly my go-to bikini, especially if I'm like feeling uncomfortable and I maybe feel bloated because I ate dairy or something like that. We like to take her everywhere. I feel like I should only take 1 pair of like jeans. I'm gonna take these ones. They're by Wrangler. I literally had these for like 5 years, but I think they still sell them. Maybe for jeans, I'll actually take 2 pairs of jeans, and then that's all.
You just keep increasing it.
I know, but it's like 5 days, so I'm gonna take 2. A black pair and a blue pair. I'm taking these.
No,
these are from Wrangler.
You know what I was just about to say, pal? I think we need to swap this out to a suitcase in a minute.
No,
Well,
and
that's
then
what it's getting
this
to.
is the only other pair of jeans. 2 pairs of pants and 1 pair of sweatpants. These are from Glassons. These are, they're kind of wide leg at the bottom. They're just really flattering. They make your butt look good. That's all the jeans, pal. So far, this is what we're working with. It's basically just a ton of swimsuits, 2 pairs of jeans. Kane is standing behind me. I can feel his judgment. So this is my, oh my god, I just pulled my whole shelf off. This is my comfortable shorts basket. It's honestly a little out of hand. I really do wear comfy shorts like 80% of the time, so I really get all the use out of these. We're just gonna take a cream pair because that goes with everything. I'm also gonna take this new pair that I just got from Revolve, another cream pair that maybe looks like the exact same pair that I just took, but these are my favorite shorts at the moment. What else? I have these linen ones. They're not even linen. They're like, I don't know what they are, but they kind of look like linen shorts. But I could wear these with like a cute top to dress it up, or I could wear these at the beach with a bikini. So I think I'm gonna take those because I just feel like we want options like that. The main reason I'm taking that second pair of beige shorts is because they have a matching little sweater thing. It looks so ugly right now, but on it's cute, I swear. This little tank top, I got it off ASOS, but I think it's from Topshop. I feel like I should probably take a dress. Oh, we're gonna take this. Very basic little cami from Brandy. I probably won't even wear this, but for the beach pic, it'll look cute. Sweatpants, we don't want any of those. I don't think I want, oh wait, we're gonna take some basic gray sweatpants. Kane's just standing here. The other pair of sweatpants that I'm gonna take literally look identical to that last pair of gray sweatpants, but they're my favorite. Freshly washed. We need some t-shirts.
I feel like you need to do a closet cleanup.
For real. For t-shirts, I think like 1 oversized tee, 1 like tighter cropped tee, and then like what, a black shirt in case I get the other ones dirty. What have we got? Pal!
What?
I can take this tee and you and I can be matching! Okay, that's it. I just need underwear and sweatshirts. This one looks like it needs a little bit of lint rolling and like a zip up hoodie. Actually, no, I think I'm gonna take this black hoodie. Whew.
Look how many pieces of clothing there are, pal.
It looks like a lot, but I'm gonna have to go through everything and just like make it a little bit less. And it's all piled on top of each other. When it's in my bag, it'll be nice and rolled up. Says everyone, that never happens. So when I think road trip, I generally think of people that just like pack a bag and like don't have a lot of stuff. It's definitely not this, whatever this is.
I feel like you need to give this to me and get a suitcase. And
I can't fit a suitcase in the van.
It's huge.
There's like all this stuff that I added in when I wasn't recording before. Like this top wasn't a part of it. It definitely looks a lot better when I packed it down. We've got t-shirts and tops and camis, bikinis. I've got 2 different hats. Realistically, I'm probably gonna wear this one and Kane's gonna steal the black and white one. 2 pairs of sweatpants. These are my shorts. I bought some active wear. I'm not sure that I'm gonna be working out, but I thought if we went for like a hike or something. And then jeans and sweatshirts. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add to my sweatshirt pile just because I don't know how cold it's gonna get at nighttime, so I'm probably gonna have to search that up. But so far so good. I should probably go on Pinterest and actually find like a packing list just to make sure that I'm doing okay. So pretty much everything that, okay, not everything, I'm sure I'm missing some things. I pulled up a packing list online and I decided that instead of like buying any mini products, I'm just gonna put them into little reusable travel containers. We've got so many toiletries out, like face wash, body wash, shampoo and conditioner. I did buy a mini toothpaste, deodorant, we've got sun cream, aloe vera. I also was trying to remember to take a card game, so we got Uno. Sorry if I just triggered you. I know some people say Uno, some people say Uno. What do you say?
I don't know, you know.
I don't know if I've ever been on any trip ever without bringing up a packing list. It's just a part of me. I literally have a packing list that my best friend Holly wrote for me because she's the most organized person that I freaking know. I should probably bring that up.
What was it that you were once putting on your face and it was a completely wrong product and you did it for a week?
In America, right?
I can't remember what it was.
I was cleansing my face with like expensive face moisturizer because they were like the same consistency. And then I realized, and I think you were like, isn't this the cleanser? And I was like, oh. I'm just gonna go put everything into toiletry bags so it's a little bit more organized. Probably gonna throw it all in my duffel bag that I'm taking because I'm taking a duffel bag, Kane Foster. I am taking a duffel bag because I am an efficient packer, and that's the tea.
Suitcase, gal.
No, I'm taking a duffel bag, y'all.
And
Trust.
at least a backpack then.
I will probably take a duffel bag and a backpack. That is correct. In the meantime, I have so much crap out. My apartment is a mess. I think part of the reason why it takes me 4 hours to pack is literally because I try on pretty much every piece of clothing that I'm gonna take just to make sure I know what it looks like, if it fits, if it's comfy enough. So cue the try on of this stuff, which is gonna take ages. I obviously had to end it on a classic Sarah outfit. I feel like I'm pretty much prepared and it's like 2 days before I go. My friends can thank me for filming this video and not holding everyone up. This is basically everything that I need to pack except shoes, which I'm gonna wear before I go. Is that it? I'm sure there's something. Let's see if it fits.
You brought out the best in me.
Skincare, toiletries. She's pretty full. I also packed a little bit of makeup. We're going to the beach, so there's probably not gonna be that much makeup worn, but just in case we go to dinner or something like that, I packed a little makeup. Most importantly, we got sunscreen. This is the Comfy Water Sunblock by Pure Eater. I saw it in a Hiram video and it's honestly really bomb. Like, it doesn't change my makeup at all. Like, it doesn't make it oily. Sun cream is normally just greasy and not great under makeup. Then for foundation, I just packed this. I don't know if there's a sample or if they sent it to me, but it's the It Cosmetics CC color correcting. It's got SPF 50. I feel like it'll be good for just like a little bit of makeup. We got a lip balm. This one's by Fresh. It's the Sugar Mint Rush lip balm. Obviously powder. Bronzer, I don't have a bronzer brush yet. And then for lips, I have a lip gloss and my favorite lipstick by Too Faced. It's called Undercover Lover. And then I just have mascara, a beauty sponge. We got eyebrow stuff, Precisely My Brow, and Maybelline Brow Fast. I think for eyeshadow, I'm just gonna wear bronzer on my lids if I wear some, which I'm not even sure. And because you all know it's me, I'm bringing eyeliner. My favorite eyeliner is the Stila Stay All Day. I low-key packed my whole makeup routine, except normally I wear the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation instead of the It Cosmetics. Okay, it barely fits, but it does fit, so that's good enough for me. I feel like I'm doing pretty good. I'm probably on hour 2 of packing, but I I feel like I could probably take a nap. Next up, I'm gonna go pick up some last minute snacks because I hear that the first place that we're stopping on the road trip doesn't actually have that many grocery stores nearby. So I'm probably gonna get some snacks when I'm not napping. So I need snacks and honestly a bunch of other stuff, but I don't even know about the fridge-esque situation. Hello!
For no reason, was it a make-believe? Something you never needed. What was it all for?
All the lights just went out and now there's an alarm, so I feel like that's time to leave. Apparently, we're just having wraps and that's all.
Losing track, even God knows I'm trying.
Okay, honestly, after the alarm went off in the supermarket, I just wanted to leave. So I tried to haul. I got some stuff to make wraps, bananas, wrap stuff. We also got some raspberries. Oh, dang it, it's mango season and we didn't even look. Is it mango season coming up? I swear I saw someone eating a mango on their story the other day. And I was like, dang it, I want to get one of those next time at the supermarket. We got some tomatoes. I low-key freaked out because like a bunch of the tomatoes had mold on them. Potato salad and then popcorn. And if y'all haven't had harvest snaps before, specifically the chili flavor, I'm sorry for you. I am the most hardcore road trip snacker. If I was like eating healthy, that's gonna go out the window for this trip, let me tell you. So I better keep it healthy for the next 2 days before we leave, because once we leave, there's honestly no stopping me. It's been a little while. I have decided that I'm going to paint my nails. Like, don't want to say it, but I think I'm gonna be prepped and I'm so excited to be done early. I'm probably just gonna watch Netflix after that. But anyway, first things first, nails, I'm thinking white. The lid is falling off. Okay. Wow. I'm just gonna use one of these. They're from Rimmel. They're meant to be like 60 seconds. I'm just gonna go for this like white-ish color. It's a little off-white, but it's in the shade Too Cool. I'm also gonna watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Please don't judge me. All done. I feel like I did maybe the world's worst job at painting my nails. This is what they look like. I'm gonna show you guys really quickly because I don't want you guys to see the imperfections. I'm just gonna let them dry so I can put the little top coat on them, and we're gonna do a little tan, wash my hair, put a toner in it because she's a little warm. But while I wait, I'm gonna continue to watch this. I just thought I'd put on a little bit of tan. This one is just a loving tan. This is just what I'm using right now. I've tried a few different tans though. And I'm really excited because I just got this face mask. I got a package from Fresh the other day in the mail and they sent me a clay mask. So I think I'm gonna try that out too. Next time you see me, I'm probably gonna look super different. And this is me now. I haven't started my tan yet. I'm gonna do that in a second, but I want to like dry my hair or something, or wait for it to dry so I don't get tan on it. And then I'm probably just gonna watch Netflix. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm not in a towel and I don't have wet hair. Bye. So I think this might be the only time that I've ever been packed more than an hour before I'm gonna leave. Actually, more than a day before I'm gonna leave. I want to thank everyone that watched this video because I feel like I only got it done because I was filming it for a video. So I feel like I need to film all of the important things I have to do in the future just so I get them done on time. But if you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up because I feel like it was a little different than stuff that I normally film, so it really helped me gauge if you guys want to see more stuff like this in the future. Hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and come say hey on Instagram because I always reply to comments over there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!